What's going on, everybody? I'm Jason and welcome back to the review suite. These are the Nexigo Air T2 truly wireless earbuds. I haven't covered truly wireless earbuds on the channel in quite some time, but Nexigo reached out to me, and based on the looks and specs of these earbuds, I wanted to give them a try. So with that said, here's my hands-on of the Air T2 truly wireless earbuds. The Nexigo Air T2 earbuds are powered by the Qualcomm QCC 3040 chipset. Key specs include Bluetooth 5.2 low energy, 28 hours of playtime, and active noise canceling powered by Qualcomm's 8th generation of clear voice capture technology. 28 hours is not bad for earbuds this small. And just like some of my previous wireless earbud reviews, I never run out of battery because I'm not listening to music or podcasts throughout the day. Normally, when I listen to a podcast that's more than an hour, I like to break it up throughout the day. Like, for example, I might get up and work out and listen to half an hour or however long my workout session is. Then I'll put the earbuds back in the case, let them charge up until I'm ready to listen again. So between going from home to work and back home again, I don't have to worry about battery life because these are solid. Now again, these earbuds are tiny. If you look at this clip, I'm looking straight ahead down into the camera, and until I turn my head to the side, it's kind of hard to notice that these earbuds are in my ear. These earbuds are very inconspicuous, but I know that's not going to work for everyone. These earbuds do not come with ear tips, and unfortunately, they did not pass the shake test. Tap controls are pretty straightforward on the Air T2 earbuds. On the left and right earbud, double tap to play and pause, and double tap to hang up and answer calls. To go back to the previous song, triple tap on the left earbud. To skip to the next song, triple tap on the right earbud. And to reject incoming calls, triple tap on either the left or right earbud. If you want to activate Siri or Google Assistant, quad tap on either the left or right earbud. It takes some getting used to, but you'll get the hang of it. And speaking of playback, let's talk about sound quality a little bit. Now, if you guys have watched my channel long enough, you know that I am not, I repeat, am not an audiophile. Now, don't get me wrong, I know the difference between listening to music on wireless earbuds versus wired over-the-ear headphones. So if you are considering the Air T2 earbuds, you have to know what you're getting into. These earbuds have 13mm drivers, so don't expect a lot of heavy bass. When I paired the Air T2 earbuds with my iPhone, I listened to music with the equalizer off just to get a sense of what these earbuds sounded like under normal circumstances. Out of the box, the Air T2 earbuds sound pretty good, but depending on the genre of music, I would go in and adjust the equalizer to get more bass or to get a more balanced sound, and overall, it was a pretty good experience. Call quality is fine too. I mean, it's nothing to write home about, but it works. Switching over to the Nord N10 5G, which is powered by the Snapdragon 690, I did have a better listening experience because I was able to take advantage of the Qualcomm aptX technology. I was able to smooth out some of the hissy high sounds with the Dirac audio tuner. So yes, a much better listening experience on Android. My only real gripe about these earbuds is that they put the USB Type-C port on the bottom of the case. They definitely got this idea from Apple. Overall, I'm impressed with the Nexigo Air T2 earbuds. The Air T2 earbuds sound pretty good. They're lightweight, they're very portable, and I believe for most of you all out there, you will be content with the sound quality. The Air T2 earbuds will pair seamlessly with your iOS or Android device, but when it comes to raw audio, I think you're going to have a better experience with Android. But that's going to do it for this video. If you have the Nexigo Air T2 earbuds, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about them. If you want to buy a pair of the Nexigo Air T2 earbuds, affiliate links will be in the description box. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a like. And if you want to see more true wireless earbud content, subscribe right here to the review suite. I'm Jason, and I will see you guys in the next video.